Hi friends, and we are so happy that you are here on our channel. Right now we will show you how to get crying filter on Instagram. So if this topic is interesting, let's go to the watching. The first step is to open our Instagram app and go to the stories mode. Okay, so right now we have the needful filter which is really very popular right now, and this is that crying effect you can smoothly add after swiping the period filters menu to the end of the right side. Let's pick on the search bar and tap on the search icon here again. Later on the appearance bar of the screen, as you can check, we have this recent effect here, but you need to set the set face word at the bar here, and after setting the set, you will have the needful effect, the needful filter, because it's really very popular, so it will be the first on the list. Let's click on it one time, and later to add it you need to pick on the save option to use the same effect later and have it on your menu. But if you want to activate it right now, let's pick on the try it button, and without any troubles you can activate it on your stories, for your stories or reels. Also, you have another very similar effects. You can check each of them after smoothly swiping and dragging the period menu at the bottom. So guys, if you like some of them, don't forget to save them to your effects gallery after picking on the saved icon on the saved shortcut below. Later, let's tap on the cross at the top of the screen and go back to our stories, or if you want, it can be also for reels. Let's tap on the cross and refresh our profile. Let's bring back to this stories menu, and here we will have all of our added effects on the list. We can smoothly switch between them and find out the needful effect and filter we want to use. So guys, I hope that right now you know how to manage and search for the needful effect on your account to be in trend, and also to find the needful effect you like. And don't forget about likes also. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out later even more cool phone secrets, tricks with Instagram and different other apps. And have a nice day. Bye bye.